Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door shelf in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a minute or two to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door shelf. This adjustable refrigerator door shelf is located on the right side of the refrigerator door. There are a couple of them, and the position of both could be changed. The main reason for the refrigerator door shelf to be replaced is if it breaks and no longer stays in place. To get to the part, we need to open the right side door. To remove the door shelf, we need to simply push it up. Then we can take it out. This is the old refrigerator door shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new door shelf, we're going to place these tabs on the side of the shelf or the two tabs on the side of the door. And then push it down. And the last thing, we're going to peel off that film from the plastic. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.